What's that?
How are you today?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
Good.
Did you go to the potty today?
I did.
How many?
3, 4, 5.
5 times?
Yeah.
What'd you have for dinner?
I have yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yeah.
Anna?
Banana.
Oh. So what? You gonna have a bath?
No. I'm pretty good.
You're pretty good?
Yeah. I don't need stuff.
Did you get the rent money?
Yeah. I did the money.
You got the rent money?
Yeah.
You hanging up on me?
Hello?
What's up?
No, good. I want SpongeBob.
You wanna watch what? What?
I watch.
How many SpongeBobs you got?
I just one.
Well, put it in.
I can't put it in. Want to help?
You can do it.
You can. You can do it.
Well, are you gonna have a bath?
No. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty clean.
You're pretty clean?
Yeah.
Did you do your armpits?
No.
Did you do your nose?
No.
Did you do your ears?
No.
Did you do your bum?
No.
And you're pretty clean.
I'm pretty clean.
So what did you do?
I play ABCs.
You played ABCs?
This is ABCs.
Well, put it in the DVD player then.
Okay. Want to help?
Nah, you can do it.
You can do it.
Did you hang up? You hang up on me?
Where's my telephone?
You hung up on me? I was talking on the phone.
Where's my phone?
Here.
Where's mine?
Use this one.
I don't use this one. This is my
You
phone.
gonna use both? Who are you gonna call?
I don't know mommy.
I'm gonna call Mommy.
Hello, mommy.
What's she doing?
He's pretty good.
She's pretty good? Where is she?
He's emergency.
Who's emergency?
Oh. Oh. Whatever. It's bleeding. Look.
What?
You can scream. There's an A on there. There's an A.
An A on the screen?
No, you. You.
You? Who put that there?
You did.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna call this phone?
No, I'm calling this phone.
Hello?
Hello.
What you doing?
Good.
Wanna watch some TV?
Wanna watch SpongeBob?
We can watch SpongeBob.
Okay.
Sing the song.
I want this song.
Sing the Spider-Man song.
No, this one.
Well, how does it go?
Wait in computer. What in there? Wait in there. Wait in there. This one?
Nope.
That one?
Nope.
Where?
Over. That one.
This one. I don't put the TV in. Oh.
You gotta take the old one out. You gotta take the old one out. Put it up top.
Here.
You turn it on?
Tell me, how long have you been enjoying this painting?
My father purchased it at an auction about 34 years ago.
Hit the red.
34 years old?
And apparently before then it
Yeah.
hung in Banff Springs.
Now hit the one on the other end.
Wait do it.
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute.
Wait.
Yeah, I can totally...
I'll tell you when. Oh, I think you did it. You did a good job. There you go. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's going on?
Not much.
Not much.
What are you doing?
I'm just playing good.
You're just being good?
Yeah.
Can I have a bath later?
Yeah.
What toys are you gonna bring in the bath?
Nothing.
The whale?
No.
The robots?
No.
Who? You hang up on me?
Nothing. Nothing. No.
Are you who's being a good boy?
I'm being good.
Oh yeah? Who's
Yeah.
on TV?
It's my bot.
It's your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta let you go now. I gotta watch SpongeBob.
I want SpongeBob too.
Okay, bye bye.